ready for this, huh? You ready for this, huh? Get on the ground, ready? Shots fired, 245 shots fired. Give me some cars. Cruiser. For this, huh? Get on the ground, ready?
An Aurora traffic stop. A man's door opens with one hand hidden. A minor struggle. Then 3 shots. One of them ends everything. August 30th, 2025. Aurora police try to pull over Ray John Belt Stubblefield, 37, for a traffic stop. Something changes fast.
Stay in the car! Don't move! Don't move! Motor 45, we got a crash. 6, just east of 225. Getting up closer now. Stay in the, give me your hands. Show me your hands. Get your hands up, dude! Don't shoot me. Get your hands up right now! Get your hands up!
He drives into other cars. He opens the door with one hand behind his back. Officers say they thought he had a weapon. He exits the vehicle. Officers say they confront him. He doesn't comply immediately. Words escalate. Tension builds.
Get that shit. I'll shoot you. Get that shit.
Dad, chill. No.
Get that shit.
No, Dad, chill.
Get that shit.
Officer, chill.
Officer strikes him in the head while his back is turned. Belt Stubblefield already wounded. Then comes what family and attorneys call the worst. The firing. Twice to the chest, once to the head. That final headshot is already at the heart of one of the fiercest debates in Aurora. Rajan's family, his wife Tandra, his son Zion, watched in horror. Attorneys like Ben Crump call it unjustifiable. They demand the officer be held accountable. There is no justification, especially for that third shot, Crump said. Police Chief Todd Chamberlain says the officer feared for his life. He believed Belt Stubblefield was reaching for a weapon. He describes the situation as escalating quickly. But Belt Stubblefield's family says he was unarmed, no gun visible in videos, and that the use of force was excessive, headshot after already injured. When a traffic stop ends in death, citizens are left asking, where did things go wrong? Was fear justified or fear weaponized?
Get that shit. Get on the ground. Get that shit. Get on the ground! Yeah. Sorry. You ready for this? You ready for this? Get on the ground! You ready for this? You ready for this, huh? You ready for this, huh? Get on the ground. You ready? Shots fired. 245 shots fired. Give me some cars. Cruiser. Ambulance hot. It's not a tourniquet kind of thing. Thank you. Stay there. Hey, hey! Get over there behind us. There's a gun over there. Behind the boxes. Shut it all down. Sable. Westbound. Highway. What?
You shot my dad. He didn't have no gun.
Did you find that gun?
He threw the gun.
You got it? Okay. You got it?
The police just shot my dad.
There's one in the head as well.
It was my dad. It was my dad.
Let's go. Come with me, come with me. You got your camera on?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get you in my car. We're gonna go to HQ.
Okay.
We're going to HQ. We're going to HQ.
My car, black car over there, keys are probably in it.
Okay.
I'll be with you in just a moment.
Another suspect?
Right, let's go. He was unarmed.
Got to see.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get away from that motherfucking gun! Get on the ground now!
Get that shit. Nigga,
Get on the ground now!
get that shit. Get that shit. Get that shit.
I'll shoot you!
This video is not just about one man's life. It's about trust, about accountability, about whether officers are presuming guilt before seeing hands. Ray John Belt Stubblefield is gone, caught in a moment of power and fear. His family demands truth. His community demands justice. Will justice follow the video? Subscribe for truth. Demand transparency. Comment. Should officers always hold their fire, especially after a crash?